Really important for the Assembly to be a forum in which different groups can come to share ideas with Assembly members, with the staff of the Assembly, and also to support this kind of thriving debate within Wales about such issues as the future of civil society.
We've brought people together, Assembly members, research staff, civil servants, people from outside the Bay, with a number of experts to discuss civil society, how the experience has been post-devolution in Wales for civil society. So really we've been, I think, discussing very important matters because the voluntary sector, the third sector, have a big part to play in all aspects of life in Wales. And it's important that we bring together think tanks like the Bevan Foundation, academia, the WCBA, itself, and independent organisations to look at how we might go forward together.
I think it's great to get different perspectives for the Assembly members. So, for example, today we've had somebody from academia, we've had somebody from an organisation outside Wales, we've had a think tank and a voluntary group. So it's bringing different perspectives, I suppose, to the Assembly's thinking. And it's also great for those external bodies to be able to discuss with the Assembly members and get an understanding of what their concerns and questions are.
Mae'n bwysig I cael ymwybodaeth eang dros y cyhoedd beth sy'n digwydd yn y Bae achos mae'n cael effaith enfawr ar bywyd y bobl ledled Gymru.